Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix to continue verify a payment method. If you are unable, you can add a new payment method which will remove all other payment methods. So if you try to remove a payment method or add a new payment method and you see this kind of error on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close the page and you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again, and you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings, and after that you have to simply go back. And now what you have to do, you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and you have to simply click on media and purchases, and here you have to simply click on view account. So here you have to simply go to your payments, and after that you have to simply try to add a new payment method. And if you have an existing payment method, then you have to simply try to verify your payment method by providing all the details asked in the settings. So you have to make sure that you have verified all of your payment method. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply connect to the Apple Support and ask for the solution. If the problem is still there, then you have to look for the Apple discussion and take the screenshot on that platform and ask the users how they solve that problem, and they will guide you in a proper way that how you can simply solve that error on your iPhone iOS 18. So the only solution is that you have to simply continue your verified payment method, and after verification your account will be active again, and you can simply use that payment method again. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.